Okay, it's recording. Huh? Okay, bye.
Bye.
Ooh.
You ready?
Yeah. Blind test time! Am I even in frame? Hey, can you see? Oh.
No.
Oh, yeah, we're in frame.
Okay.
We are going to do a blind test today for the noodles that we cooked. Who's gonna give us the noodles?
We didn't think this through, did we?
No, we didn't. Yeah.
This is the first flavor.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. This is not green curry, right?
Oh.
This is just curry, right?
Yeah. Oh, you dropped some on my floor.
Where got?
Eh? The carrot.
Is it? So simple then.
So weird. Your face is too near to me for comfort. Especially as we are very good friends, I cannot deal with their comfort. Our noodles became a pancake. Hey, you hold my plate tighter.
Make a wish.
I scared of cockroach one.
Where is it?
I don't know. Oh, it's here, it's here. Ah!
Right.
I spilled my drink. Can you pass me a tissue? Thank you.
Let's take the vitagen.
Hey, by the way, 7-Eleven sells this amazing drink. It's the upsized vitagen.
Does it taste more like Yakult or vitagen?
I don't know. But I figured that if you're going to eat so much noodles in one setting, right, we better digest our food. And for the very first time, I have batteries in my camera. Haha.
Good job.
So yeah, we'll see you next time. Maybe you should tell us what you want us to do, and then we have a better idea of what you want us to do.
Maybe we should invite more people on the show.
It's so tough to be a YouTuber lah. Why do people do this?
Are we YouTubers?
No, we're just two friends recording our friendship.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.